But like how to share the screen? Hi, Chris. Good morning. Good evening, good morning, or good afternoon, wherever you are. Just give me a few seconds to set it up, okay? So, hello. Just give me a few seconds. I cannot see the no like the people, but it's okay. I think it's okay. Yep. No. Yeah, we just leave it here. Okay, no mind. Okay, okay. Thank you, thank you, thank you. Hi, Chris. Thanks for tuning in today. Maybe we just wait a little bit more, maybe 1 to 2 minutes for anyone to join us. Okay. May I know where are you tuning from? Okay. Maybe let's start the section. Let me know if you have any question or any currency pairs you want me to looking at. Okay. So today webinar is a live trading section. Just a disclaimer. The information for this webinar should not be considered investment, advice, or investment recommendation, but instead just for education material only. Okay. If you want to trade, just do your own due diligence. All right. Just a little bit smart. My name is Peggy. I'm a trade analyst at Everest Fortune Group. I'm also a prop trader as well. Okay, just let's start with the live trading section. Let me show you the chart. Okay. Do you have any prefer currency or reference you want me to look at? Do you have any? Okay, let me start with okay, let me look. BTC then, okay. The BTC so okay. If you trade the BTC, this is my analyst for this pair. Okay. Let's say now I think it's a good time for you to sell. Okay, because it's at first resistance already over here. You can make like let's say over here if you want to. Okay, because this level has Fibo 61.8%, and this is the overlap resistance. Okay, if you want, you can take a shot from here or sell from here. Maybe let me, if you want to take the profit first, I think you can take a profit around the 38.2% here. Okay, like if you want to kind of like secure your profit, you can take the first profits over here or here. Okay, because if you think that the first support is still too far, either you can put the take profit here, or you can take the first profit here. Other one, okay. This is my view of BTC. This is in the H4 time frame. Okay. Right, your question. Okay, let me see if you have any question. Let me know. Okay. Ethereum. My view for Ethereum. Okay. In H4, price is going to test first resistance, but I think haven't yet. Okay. Let me see. In H1, okay. So 30.2% over here. If you want to trade, you can like make a shot right now, and this is your first profit. If you want to take profit over here, this is in the H1 time frame. Okay, let me just put like the watermark, and then you guys can see what pair I'm talking about. Okay, here. All right. Okay, so if you want, if the price go to touch first resistance around this area, you can make a sell. And this is your first take profit taking is about 1AX75. Okay. And the DXY. Okay, DXY is break above my intermediate resistance. But to me, my view, I think it's bullish. Sorry, it's a bearish because it's below Ichimoku crowd as well. Okay, so this morning the price is came down to test this support level, right? This morning around this area. You can zoom in and see in H1, even in okay, but it's H4. If you zoom, if you change to H4 time frame, you can see that price it touched like the recently weak, which is this one, and now it's bounced off. Okay, I change to H1 so you can have a better look here. Okay, so price is break above. Okay. So the DXY, my view for DXY is still bearish. So it could come down to first support, which is this one, okay. And then from here, you may consider to buy if the price come here around this level, okay. But this morning they are tested this week, okay, in H4. So you may consider to buy, okay, at this level. EU, yeah, I just make like the analysis before the section. So this is my view, which is price already bounced off from my buy entry, which is this is my first support. Okay, and then I draw the Fibo, okay, from here to here, and then you can see that it's line up very nicely at 38.2%. Okay, and then I draw like the zone, okay, because there is a wick here, so I kind of like draw the zone here, okay, and then price, oh, draw the zone here, and then is bounce off from here, okay. So this is my first profit, take profit level. So either you can put at the candlestick or you can put at the wick. It's up to you. But to me, if I want to secure my profit, I just put at the candlestick here. Okay. This is my view for Euro USD. Okay. GBP USD as well. Again, I buy it bullish because price is above Ichimoku crowd. You can see right here. And then price, this is very nice overlap support. Like this is my first support. Okay, and then price, the area, I draw the Fibo again. It's very nice, line up with 38.2%. So I highlight the area over here. So I'm kind of like waiting for price to come to this zone, and then I'm gonna buy, and then this is my first take profits. Okay, but I'm not sure whether price will come to this zone because it's already kind of about off from the zone that I highlight. So you may consider if you want to place the test here. Okay, and then you can put a stop loss here, or you can put the stop loss over here, up to you. Okay, so I think let's say if price break below, like from here they come here. Sorry, like if they break here, I think it's my bar off because this one is let me see. Yeah, so this one is stop loss actually is line up with 61 0.8% here. So if you think that, let's say the price break below, okay, either you want to put your stop loss below this, and then you may add the buy entry at this level as well. So it's up to you, okay. But I think price may come down to 61.8% as in my view. But again, I found that GBP USD is still bullish. Euro also bullish as well. So we kind of like wait for the price to come down and then see if there is any price action, and then you can place the trade. Okay, here you franc is again, like I did analysis on this. You can say that price is in the bearish channel line, meaning that there is potential to price for the price to come down. So this actually is my sell entry, or my first resistance. This is an overlap resistance, okay. There is overlap here. Okay, so this is an overlap here. So now if you want to press the sell order, you can, because this level is at 23.6%. I think it's just kind of like overlap a little bit. Okay, not hitting 3.2% yet. So it's around this level. Okay, and my take profits again, you can put either this level, and then your stop loss you can just put a little bit higher. I can just put here because I think price is still in the valid momentum because price is in channel line. You can see that slide up really nicely. Okay, like here, you can see here. Okay, so I think price will come down either to this one. Okay, so if you want to place the sell order now, you can. Okay, let's zoom in to H1. Okay. Okay. Okay, in H1, what you can see is that price is already okay. Even though in H4 is back above, okay, it's coming down already. So I just remove the channel line for you to have a better clear view. Okay. So it touches like kind of like this, a little bit of this level. Okay, and then it's come down, right? Yes. So just slightly higher. Okay, just slightly below 38.2% if you zoom in like H1. Okay, and then you can see that actually this area is a supply zone, right? Okay, I remove 30. I just show 38.2%. Okay, actually this level is a supply zone. That's why price is go to this zone, and then you can see that there is a selling up at this level because this is a okay drop, and then you can see that base and drop here, and this is the supply zone. Okay, this zone. Okay, again, like I say, if you sell now, you can just take your profit here. All right, guys. Okay, let's say UJ. Okay, UJ for my view in H4, I think is okay. You can see that price it react to ascending trend line here. You can see right here. Over here is we touch really nicely here, and then they reacted here, and also it's confluent with my first support. Okay, this is my first support in like H4. Actually, if you want to drag down here, maybe here, no, like around this level. Okay, like my first support here. So I think price is still on bullish momentum because price is still above Ichimoku crowd as well. Let me pull RSI if there is any divergent. Okay. All right. Okay. Carry some moving here. Okay. Let me zoom in to see in H4, and you can see that there have a long wick here. This one of the price action. Okay, like here, like over here. Okay, it's a price action here. So there's a potential for price to push up to first resistance, which is first resistance you can just put at your profit taking. Okay, over here, and then you cause the trade here. You can just like buy from this level, and this one could be your buy entry. Okay, and then you can see that RSI okay is okay. If you from here, if you know to use IS here, you can see that this is the area that in the past okay, like in the past here price is revert from this level. Okay, you can see that. Okay, so you can you can consider if you want to place the buy order, and you can zoom in H4. Okay, I'll make a bit bigger for you. You can see that price have a long wick as well, and then it's going up. Okay, just wait and see. All right, let me know if you have any question or any pair, okay, for me to look for you. If not, I will just focus on major pair and then some of commodities and indices for you. Okay, and this is a AU USD. I'll go to H4 again. Okay, so price, let me see H4. This is kind of like my buy entry over here. Okay, but the price, this one should be like yesterday. Okay, this is Singapore time, it's like yesterday, and price is still kind of like touching this level. Okay, so my view, I still wait at this level. If the price come down, maybe you can wait until US market open, or if you think if you want to make a sell order, for example. Okay, like 61.8 is the area that you may be consider, but again, you can see that price is like tested a few times right here. So actually this is my bird resistance. Okay, and price tested a few times already. It's like I'll be very nicely with 61.8%. Okay, so either price go up, and then you see that's a confirmation like price action. You can make a sell from here, and then this one could be your take profit level. If you think that too far, you can place the take profits over here as well. Okay, I remove the stop loss here if you want, and stop loss you can put here as you want. Stop loss. Okay, let me zoom into CH1 if there is any like divergence here. Okay, there is no divergence here as well, but again, no Ichimoku curl. We zoom in and see. Okay, okay, price already came down. Okay, all right. Okay, you may wait if you want to. Okay, either here price go up and test again. You can zoom in and see if there is any price action. You may consider to put the sell order here. Okay, for this pair, and then this is your take profit level. Okay, Kiwi dollar and Kiwi dollar here. I find that this is very nice level, which is a overlap support, right? This level. So this level is gonna be by my entry. It actually is my first support, right? So I change to my buy entry this level. Okay. Actually, you can see that pi is already tested one time, and either you want to make a sell order, you can make a sell order at this level, like sell entry. Okay, because it's lined up really nicely with 68, 76, 78.6% Fibonacci retracement, right? And then you can see that in this is hidden beige or supply zone here. Okay, in H4 around this area here. Why? You can zoom into H1 to see these are like conference, right? Okay, this is like supply zone here, and then it's light up with 78.6% as well. These are opportunity for you to sell from here. If you want, because price already move up, right? So this cannot be a buy entry, and this could be your take profit level, I think. And stop loss, you just put above this high, this stop loss here. But then you can see that this might be divergence here. Let me just try to put here, but I thought there might be divergence like that, right? But because if like spike here, okay, so we have to see if there is no spike here, there might be like valid divergence here, right? Because there is spike here, so I may not consider there is a valid divergence. Yeah, but you may, you know, consider to see this level as well here. My view. Is there trend line here? Actually, there's trend line over here as well. Okay, this is a support trend line. Is it any? Okay, don't have. Okay, so price could potential from here, and it might test or react with bullish trend line. So in that case, I think my profit level, take profit level, I'll just put around like this level, or you can just stretch around this one in H1. Yeah. Okay. Let me zoom in. You can see that like this level. You can just put here. I think I'm gonna put here my first take profit level, because price may come down from here and then test the support trend line, and it's bow off from here also. Okay, so you may consider. Let me put the Fibo. Okay. 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 Just watch out for this zone. Okay, for this zone. All right. And then you just take a sell order here. I just put over here. All right. Okay. UCAT. I think UCAT is still in bear bullish momentum, because you can see that in head 4, I zoom in for you. Okay, actually this is my buy order, which is already price tested my support, first support right here, and it's bow up. It's also react or respect my trend line, which is over here. Okay, price could go up to this my intermediate resistance, which is this one. Either you can put, let's say, if it's break above this intermediate resistance, right? It could go up to my first resistance. You may consider to buy to sell from this resistance. Okay, here, because it's line up with 78.6%, but if you think that the area is quite big, right, or too widen for you, either you zoom in. Okay, let me zoom in to find the entry. Okay, I remove this one. Okay, in H1. Okay, in H1, just now we draw these are intermediate resistance in H1, right? For example, if you want to sell, okay, you may sell here. Okay, in H1 time frame, yeah. Listen, could be your first resistance. If you think that H4 is too long, I mean, you want to find the entry. Okay. Yeah, this is 78.6%. Yep, correct. Okay, so this area, if you want to buy, and then, but again, your take profit level in H1, I think you just put at this. Okay, this is your take profit level. Where is it? Okay, so this is the one. Okay, let's say if you want to make a sell order, okay, just wait for the price to reach our first resistance. So around this one, but to me, you may consider like this area, which is, let me highlight for you, the wick to the body. Okay, like, okay, this is the price if you want to make a sell order, like where is the price? Okay, like around this, like around this one. Okay, okay, this is in H1, so you just manage your lot size really carefully. Okay, there is no divergence here in H1, H4. Okay, in H4 don't have. Okay, let's look at oil. Okay, wow, oil has really big move. So to me, oil is still in bearish momentum because it's below Ichimoku cloud, and then like I draw the bearish channel line here. The price is also below. All right, and this is my first support. You can see that's actually price it came down and touched my first support, and then there is a long wick or buy pressure from here, and now it's at my like intermediate support around this level, which is line up with 23.6%. Okay, here. All right, so you can consider to sell, but again, price could come up to like my first resistance about this level. You can put it here, or you can put it here, which is line up with 30.2% here. Okay, so the price may go up. Still going up, either go to here, and then after that, reacted off first resistance, and then you can make a sell from here if they can break above my intermediate support, which is this level here. Okay, which is now price currently at this level, so we need to see if can break above or not. Okay, let me zoom in H1 again. Okay, in H1 you can see that price is already break. It kind of like slightly break above my intermediate resistance. Okay, but then it's moved down already. Okay, so let me remove all this for you. Okay. Yeah. So we just wait and see if there is any price action, any like divergence or any other confluence if you want to put the trade. Okay, but again, the current price is live with really nicely with 33.6%. Okay, and price it seems like it's coming down, right? Maybe zoom in to see in H1. Okay, yeah, price around this. So we will wait and see what is happening, what is going to happening in US market. Okay. There's no divergence here. All right, let's look at gold. Okay, this is my view on gold. Okay, or XAU USD. I draw the bullish channel line here. You can see I think price is still on uptrend. Okay, you can see that, and then price it tested like the higher of the, this is the tested the like almost hitting February 2022. It's like 1 year ago. The highest is 2070. Okay, so this is very strong resistance, and you can see that after price it's reached the level, and then you can see there is sell momentum over here. So actually I will remove my bearish channel line for you to have a better view. Okay, and you can see that I draw my intermediate support here because it's lined up really nicely here. Okay, and that is line up with 30.2%. Okay, over here you can see here. All right, and then I think price tested already, and then this is the price action. Okay, I think price is still going up. Let me thoroughly zoom for you. And this is the hammer. Okay, it's a price action. It's here. Okay, here, the price action here. Okay, you can see that. Okay, and then we could potentially see that price will move up. And then if I want to take my profit, I will draw the Fibo. Just want to get the level. Okay, you can see that in here it's tested 23.6%. Okay, so my first profit I would take at 30.2% first. Just want to scale my profit. Let me see, like here. Oh, okay. Late level. Okay, like this one. I will remove this first. Okay, I will just here. It's my trade take profit level because here I have the order here, so I buy from here. Let's see. Okay, so you may be consider. All right. Let's see. Dow Jones. Okay, Dow Jones again. I think it's on downtrend. Okay, you can see that it's very clearly it's below Ichimoku cloud. Okay, even in head 4, I just pick up here. Okay, and this is I draw the level. Okay, you can see that this morning price it tested my support level over here, and then it's bounced off, and then it's kind of like coming down again. Let me see, there is no, there's no divergence here. Okay, yeah, so let's see why I like this support, because you can see that this is very nice overlap support. That's why price is react, and then you see there's a long wick here. So if you want to place a sell order, because that is still on downtrend, you can make your sell order like a sell entry this level. Okay, and then your, let's say if the price go up, and then this is my, I will just put here like this is gonna be my take profit level. Okay, and then again your place trace like stop loss, you can just put slightly above the wick here. So this one could be your stop loss here. Okay, just wait for the price to go up, kind of like over here, and then you make a sell order here. All right, and this one is just very nicely. It's light up really nicely with 38.2%. Okay. Oops. Sorry. Here. That is liability 90, but 38.2% as well. Okay, just be patient and wait for the price to go up, and then we will make a sell trade at this level. Okay. Let's see DAC. Okay, DAC is already tested my first support, which is my first support is this level. Okay, it's an area that has 23.6% as well. Let's say if price break below first support, this is gonna be my second support, this one. Okay, just watch out. If they break first support, this is I'm gonna buy at this level. I bullet here, I'm gonna buy here, but let's just watch out because as you can see, first support, I'm just zoom in, you can see that there is a like wick around this area. Okay, I think the order one, yeah, no, like, okay, just remove. You can see that I remove the box. Okay, you can see that there is a lot of wick or the price tested here a few times, like 1, 2, 3, like 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, like 11 a few times. So I think it may have potentially to break this first support. You just have to keep the eye on it, and then if break below, you just wait at about this area and then make a buy. Okay, which is let me see if there is any FIBO. Okay, so 73 and 30. Okay, like I will consider if the price come like break below, and then this is my second buy. Okay, okay, this one or something going in my eye. All right, so you may maybe consider, and then let's say you at 30. You at 30, you at 500, sorry. It's still is it the diversion here? No. Okay, price is coming down to our first support. Okay, you may consider to make a buy order here. Okay, and this is your first take profit level, which is my second resistance. So this is going to be your take profit level. Your stop loss, I think you just put below like this week. Okay, let's say if here's your stop loss, and then this is your stop loss, right? Let's say if here's your stop loss, this is gonna, okay, this is your second support here. Okay, either you put your stop loss below second support, or if you think it's too far, you can just put like slightly below the wick. Okay, let's say if you want to buy, make a buy order. But again, I find that first support has very, very nice level. This is the overlap support. And then your take profit level. Okay, this is my second resistance, right? Okay. The take profit level, you can see that price like it's line up with 30.2% as well. You know how to draw. Okay, from here to here. Okay, I just show this one. Right, so you may consider just be patient and wait for the price to touch or to reach our buy entry. Okay, I just put my buy entry over here, right? And then my take profit. You could put stop loss. I say I just put my stop loss. My stop loss here. Okay, either you put here, but if you think that your lot size is not the big, either you can just put like slightly below. I will put here, but to me, I'll just put around this for my stop loss. Okay, but let we zoom in and see in H1. Again, if you want to have a tight stop loss, you can just put like below. You know, this is like in H1, the wick here, and just put slightly below around this one. Okay, we'll see what is gonna happen here because price is already coming down, and this morning there's a gap, right? And then it's coming down to close the gap already. Okay, just consider and see that is okay. Actually, if you know how to find divergence, right? This morning you can see this is bearish divergence, bullish divergence, right? In H1. Okay, you can see that. Yeah, there's a bearish divergence here. Okay, bullish divergence, sorry, but price already moved up. Okay, so we remove it, and then price already come down after it's touched this level in H1. Okay, like used to be support. Okay, and then it's coming down. All right. Okay, guys, do you have any question to ask me? If not, I'm going to end the section for today. Okay. Any question? No? All right. Thank you so much for joining me today or tuning in. All right. Hope to see you guys again next section. Okay. All right, guys. Thank you. Bye-bye. Have a good day. Okay. Sharing.